See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it in reverse. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, show that you deserve it. When I'm
Okay, so what is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel. Okay, for one, you guys are not gonna see me in this video because I look like trash, and plus the video is not about me, it's about hair, of course. But before we get into this video, I know you guys see how my wig head just went through everything. My canvas head done been through everything. It done got holes in it, paint color all over it, bleached down here, messed up the color. But I want to say shout out to GEX on Amazon. This one is also from GEX, but shout out to GEX for sending me a new canvas head. And I know a lot of you guys always ask where I get my canvas head from, and it is from Amazon. So therefore I'm going to take this old dirty one off, maybe throw it out, maybe keep it to put wigs on, I don't know. And I'm going to go ahead and replace it with my new canvas head from GEX, guys. Like I said, if you want this, the link will be down below. Just look how this looks so clean and neat now, and I'm gonna try to keep it this way. But like I said, if you want one, because I know a lot of you guys ask where I get mine from, and you can get it from the link down below. I'm gonna have everything posted down below, so guys, you can finally get your canvas head and start slaying your wigs. But this video is going to be about Elva. I really hope you guys can see me and this view is not like off or anything. But this company, right, this hair, I'm sorry, I just got so lost. Yes, this video is going to be about Elva hair. And this is a pretty box, but let me take it off. And you open the box. And when you open your box, I really hope you guys can see me. You will get your wig, of course. I love these bags because I store these wigs in bags after. You get a band, of course. You get a little brochure about the hair company. You get a coupon thing. Their customers can get 15 to 99 coupon. Please follow these steps. You get a coupon. And I love receiving these. You know, companies always put these in the box and I never run out of these. I love them. And a comb, of course. And I love this comb. And I'm going to use this comb in the video because it has I love these combs because I love this end right here. I love this end right here. This comb is a nice comb. I never had a comb like this before. But, okay, in this video, no, I'm not going to get to the video. Let me show you guys how the wig looks. Okay, so now you guys know I've been tired of receiving natural color hair. I've been tired of receiving curly hair at that also. But this company I had no problem with because you guys know I've always do long curly hair, and I've done the short curly hair, but it was like above my shoulder. Yeah, the length was like a little bit above my shoulder. But this length right here I got is, I believe, 12 inches. And I feel like this will give me a more natural look of how my natural hair looks. And it stops like literally sitting on my shoulders, or it comes down a little bit. It comes down past my shoulders a little bit, and I feel like this wig could also be mistaken as my real hair because, like I said, this is a natural length. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl your curly hair at that, because, you know, I feel like plucking curly hair could be a little tricky at times. And my last curly wig, everybody loved. Like, I swear, everybody loved it. They kept saying that it looked like my real hair, it looked natural. So I want this wig to get the same type of comments. But when you get your wig, I believe this is this look like a 13. Is this a 6x6? This is not a regular closure, y'all. This is not a regular closure. Oh, this is a 13x6 frontal? What is this? I don't care. I love it. But it has 4 combs in it. And then you have your adjustable band, y'all, which I love. And this is the bra strap. You can do it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. I love receiving the band. And it also has the adjustable bands down here, which I also use. Oh, wait, hold on. No, I think this is a 360. This has to be a 360. This is a 361 lace wig. What? I don't think I've had this. It's 13x6 Swiss lace, and it's a 360 head tie band. Yes. Oh my god, this is a 360. I'm about to put this in a ponytail. And it's a 13 by lace. And this is a 13 by 6 Swiss lace. I don't think I ever had Swiss lace before. But enough talking. I've been chatting for the longest. Let's now get into the video. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys how I pluck it. The plucking is already A1. I hope you guys can see. The plucking is already A1, but I'm going to go ahead and add a little more plucking into it. I believe I got this wig cap in a small because I feel like this band, my canvas block is 21. And I always make people wigs with this canvas band or whatever, with this canvas head. And I feel like, and I also looked it up on Google, and they said that like the average size of a woman head is like 21, 22. So I went for 21. And the wigs I get from companies, it be like too big. So I started ordering a small now because a medium is clearly too big. So first things first, you want to make sure you have your spray bottle, your comb, and your tweezers, of course. And you want to have T-pins to stick the wig down. I'm going to go ahead and spray the hairline with water. It doesn't have to be drenched, but I just like using a lot. And I'm going to comb that back. Oh, this wig don't have no tangles. I like this curl pattern. And what you want to start off first by doing is taking out the baby hairs that they have already plucked. And you want to get behind that hairline because that's what's going to make it look natural. I feel like this is my first, no, I've done a beginner video before, but I feel like this is going to be a way better beginner video because I'm actually speaking in details, y'all. I'm showing you guys everything step by step. So you want to comb all that back. Spray some more water if it looks dry because it's better to pluck with wet hair, they say. And I believe that, I feel like when I pluck on dry hair, I get like them little flyaways, them stubborn flyaways. So you guys see how the hairline looks now. I'm going to go ahead and make this a thumbnail just so you guys can see the before and after. And now I'm going to go ahead and start doing my plucking. This needs to come up some. What I do while I'm plucking is, as I'm plucking, I'm also dragging my hand. I'm going to get a nice angle so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, I hope you guys can see. But I hold the hair like this, and I start plucking backwards. You guys know I used to pluck forwards, but now I pluck backwards. And as you can see, the hairline is already thickened out. You don't want to pluck in the same spot. Just keep moving. Y'all, don't stay in the same spot. You will get a bald spot. I have got one before. So now you can see a difference already right there. So now you just want to keep plucking, keep plucking. I hope you guys don't see my hair because my hair looks like trash right now. So you're just going to keep plucking. Just like so. And you want it to look natural, y'all, but just not too thin, but natural. Look at your natural hairline, and you're going to see that our hairline is not as thick as the wig was before. So you keep plucking. I really hope my arm is not in the way. So when you're done with that, you're going to comb that hair out. Just like so. And this is how it looks so far. One thing I had to learn, and a lot of people always say that they're scared of, is, look how much hair came out already, y'all, is don't be afraid to pluck. Because before I used to be scared to pluck because I feel like it's going to look bald. But I feel like I plucked one time with one of my front tools, and I loved it because it looked so natural. So I'm going to go up, and I'm going to keep plucking backwards, like I said. Don't stay in the same spot, y'all. Move. Move continuously. Do not stay in the same spot. Like I said, you will get a bald spot, and you don't want that. This wig is, I'm loving this wig already. Okay, I feel like you guys can get a better view now. But I'm gonna start plucking back. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the hairline. And you guys see I don't have to do like much plucking with this wig. Other companies, I will have to do so much plucking, y'all. My arms get tired, literally. But So now I'm gonna comb out all that hair that I just plucked. This comb is something serious. I usually go back 2-3 times most, but this time I'm only gonna go back 2 times. So I'm gonna pluck out that hair that I just plucked. I love this curl pattern. It looks natural already. Go in once again with my water. If you feel like the part that you already plucked is still not like thin enough or to your liking, you can reach up that part and pluck downwards. You guys know this is how I used to pluck. I used to pluck downwards, but not in the same side. Just like you want to pluck real lightly and just go across the hairline. And them little hairs will come out, but you don't want to pluck OD because like I said, you already plucked the front. You already plucked this part. The first time you go back in and do that again. And mind you guys, the knots aren't bleached yet. I usually pluck after I bleach my knots because I feel like you see everything better. But hey, it's okay. I really like the way it looks. Like, it doesn't look too bad without the knots being bleached. So now as you're plucking this section, you don't want to pluck too much because nobody's hairline is like so thin going all the way back. Some people, yes, but not everyone. So don't pluck as much as you did with the section before this. Just pluck real lightly so it has that gradient effect how natural hairlines have. I feel like it's so hard to show you guys how to pluck on camera because I be wanting, like, the way I stand, I don't stand like this when I'm plucking. So I'm trying so hard right now. Now, as you guys can see, I'm not really doing much plucking. I'm doing light plucking. And I'm going to do that all the way around. I believe that's all I'm going to do to this section. I think I'm done. It doesn't need much more plucking. But look at me. I'm still plucking, y'all. Sorry, I just like to pluck. I just like my wigs to look natural, baby. These curls are so pretty. Okay, I think I'm done plucking now, for real. I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and comb all that hair out. Once again, you're going to go in with your spray bottle. But this time you're going to push the hair, all the hair back, and you're going to spray it with your water. I'm just going to mold that back. And you guys, I know you guys see that difference with the hairline. I know you guys see that natural hairline right there. You feel me? I know y'all see that. You dig? I know y'all see that natural hairline right there. I know you guys see that natural gradient effect, right? I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't pluck up here because that's the side they already plucked. I usually just lightly pluck all the way around just to get rid of that, like, that hairline. So this is exactly what I do. Lightly pluck around the whole hairline a little bit. It doesn't really get rid of the hairline, but it does a little bit. I feel like I see a difference when I do it. So just like that. Nothing too much, just lightly. And then literally y'all are done. Y'all are set. And that's it. That's it. You know how to pluck. You guys know how to pluck now. Beginner friendly, y'all. This is a beginner. Tell me, thumbs this up if you feel like this was beginner friendly, right? But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna heat up my curling my hot comb because so you guys can see how it would look if it's dry because I don't think you guys can see. So as I wait for my hot comb to heat up, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go in with my mousse just to push the hairline back, and this is like molding it. So I'm gonna wait for that to dry so I can really mold it with the hot comb. But I want you guys to like really see this hairline. This hairline is pizzapping, my new word. So I really want to see these curls wet. So while I like I said, while I wait for my thing to heat up, I'm gonna go ahead and wet these curls and see how they look. I feel like I'm gonna love these curls. I feel like this looks more like my natural hair, my natural curl pattern. For this to be curly hair, it's not really shedding as much as I thought it would, y'all. And this hair is really soft. Don't mind my beat up brush, but yeah. Ooh, these curls are pretty. This is really, yeah, I feel like this mimics my natural hair OD. Yeah, these curls are pretty. Oh my god, these curls are so pretty. These curls, yes, this, yo, y'all, I know I'm not bugging. This is really how my natural hair looks, y'all. Wow, this Oh my god, I'm in love with this hair. These curls are so pretty. I feel like I never had a curl pattern like. I feel like this might be one of my longest videos I've ever made. But I believe it's hot now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just push the hair back. I'm not gonna go far back on the hair because it's wet. I wet this joint and I want to damage the hair. But I just want you guys to see a better visual of how it's plucked. This is bomb. This wig is bomb. This hair is bomb. I love this wig already. Oh my god. I'm not adding no color to this or nothing. I wanted to add highlights to it, but I feel like I want to keep it on the natural side. And this wig is bomb. I love it. I love it. If you made it to the end of this video, you now know how to pluck your wigs and make them look natural. But y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the links to this hair will be down below. All the links to my canvas head so you can make your wigs on, or will also be down below. Thank you guys for watching. On the road to 37K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.